Hello, girly pops and poops. Good morning, good afternoon. If you have clicked on this video, that means you are interested in watching me clean. Wow. Or that means that you want to put this on while you clean, which is even more of a wow. All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are gonna go through my kitchen, my living room, the floors of the kitchen and living room, and just a little balcony reset for a little spring reset today. If you wanna either watch me clean or put this on while you clean, be my guest. Welcome in, welcome to the cozy corner. Come on, stay a little bit. Without further ado, let's get to cleaning, girl, because this home needs a really good spring clean. And that's what we're gonna do today. And I hope that your spring cleaning goes really well and smooth. And just remember, it's about progress and getting it done versus perfection. Let's get on with it. That is it for this cleaning vlog. And just remember that progress and getting stuff done is better than perfection. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.